United 2481, fly runway heading, remain this frequency, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, this frequency, clear for takeoff, runway 28 right, November 5, United 2481.
United 1267, wind 2506, runway 28 right at November 5, line up delay.
28 right, November 5, line up delay here as well.
2481, turn right heading 040.
Right turn 040, 2045.
United 2481, contact departure 12.0.
That was at frequency 39 2041?
125.0.
25.0 United 2481. We may have hit something on the way out, so maybe come back.
United 2481, roger, looking over the runway.
Negative, it was just past the runway on the climb out.
United 2481, roger.
And departure United 25, where are we? 2481, checking in 3.5, climbing to 5,000.
United 2481, departure transfer.
At 2481, may have hit something on the way out, debating not coming back. Just want to stay with you here as we analyze that.
United 2481, Sky approach, roger. Yeah, Tower just called and gave us a heads up on that. Do you have any idea what you might have hit? Was this in the air on the runway?
Not sure. It was in the air. I think we were past the runway probably about 1,000 feet just before the turn of 040 was issued.
United 2481, roger. United 2481, do you think it might have been like birds or a drone? You're just not sure.
Yeah, we think it might have been a bird. All our engine indications look good, but it was kind of a big hit. So I think we're debating going back.
United 2481, no problem.
And I just slow down to 230 just to stay close to Chicago. It looks like we will be going back, so I'll just let you know when we're ready.
United 2481, roger. Fighting 360 at this time, speed at your discretion.
360, speed at our discretion. Thank you, United 2481.
United 2481, and you said you are going to return to O'Hare then?
Yes, we will, United 2481. We're just trying to work things out with dispatch right now.
United 2481, no problem. Are you declaring emergency at this time?
Yeah, United 2481 declaring an emergency.
United 2481, thanks. And when able, let me know fuel and power on board, please.
Roger, we will do United 2041.
It is.
United 2041, we have 135 stalls on board, about 3 hours of fuel.
United 2041, roger. Here's the fuel in pounds.
18,000 pounds, United 2041.
You said 18,000 pounds?
Affirmative, 18,000.
Roger, vehicle on approach, standby. United 2041, turn right, heading at 090.
Heading 090, United 2041. United 2041, what approach could we expect?
United 2041, your choice for runway at 28 center, 27 center, 27 right.
We'll take 27 center, the ILS United 2041.
Runway that you would like.
27 center, United 2041.
27 center, roger. Are you ready to return now?
Yeah, we're ready, United 2041.
2041, fighting 140, vector to the ILS approach, runway 27 center.
Heading 140 vectors to the ILS 27 center, United 2041.
United 2041, information, Charlie is current at O'Hare, expect 27 center, the center is 3017.
Roger, we still have Charlie, expect 27 center, thanks, United 2041.
United 2041, heading approach on 119.0.
19 nothing, thanks for helping, United 2041.
No problem.
Approach hello, United 2481, emergency aircraft level 5000, expecting the ILS 27 center.
United 2481, fly heading 170, and you can, we'll get you right in.
Heading 170, thanks, United 2041.
United 2041, what gate are you headed to?
Not sure yet, United 2041. We're just trying to get on the ground, make sure everything's good.
United 2041, what's the nature of your emergency?
We had a bird strike on takeoff, United 2041. Tower United 2481, inbound ILS 27 center, emergency aircraft.
2481 O'Hare, D1 2605, runway 27 center, little in.
Runway 27 center, clear to land, United 2481.
2481, and what's your intentions upon landing?
We're planning on taxiing off the runway, and we may have hit something on the right side, is what passengers were reporting. Everything indicates normal, so they just want to check what we have on the right side.
Okay, company, I got vehicles waiting for you on the west side, so if you want to plan to exit left at the high speed, and head westbound on Echo, then there's vehicles waiting for you.
You got it, thank you.
2481, if you want to pick a high speed and then turn right on Echo, hold short of Fox, the sparkling lights are waiting for you.
Roger, we'll go Echo 1, Echo Fox, we'll hold short of Fox on Echo. Thanks, United 2041.
2481, no problem. They're on frequency as well as another controller on 19 and a quarter, so 119.25, you can talk to everyone.
1925, thanks for the coordination.